Okay, so today I have a surprise. We're making slime. And it's a slimy gloop whatever, and then just mix and play. I know it's just 3+, but I like slime. So there's this blue cinnamon roll slime, and then there's a cinnamon roll charm, and then there's some decorations to put in, and then there's this glitter. So I got all rid of it, and then this is what it looks like now. Glitter, cinnamon roll charm, it's so cute. It's like the blue slime, the cinnamon roll pictures on it. How do I open this? Oh, good. I hope it didn't melt. It didn't. I want to play with it. Wait, did it? I think it kind of melted, like over here. Oh, maybe it didn't. Okay, I'm done playing. And now, it's time to put the decorations in. Should I do the glitter first or the decoration first? Wait. Okay, how do I open this? Okay, so now I have the blue slime. I want to play a little more, but okay. Oh, it's already open. And then the glitter. Gonna put it right over here. Why is it not coming out? Yeah. Oh, whoops. Okay, just a little bit. It looks pretty, but I want to mix it. I'll clean the mess later, I guess. My mom is hating it right now. Bubble! So glittery over there. Too bad. There's so much bubbles. Okay, now I have a glitterier slime. So in the inside, very pretty, right? Okay, so I'm gonna use all the glitter. Just put the whole slime in there. Ah, so glittery. It looks so pretty, but it did create a mess. So I have it here. I just love glitter and I don't want to waste any, so I'm trying to get all the glitter. Okay, this one's stuck. So pretty! We're almost done putting the glitter. By the way, if you're watching this video, please subscribe. I want to try to reach to 30 subscribers, so please subscribe and like the video. And comment down below what video I should do next. You guys are not commenting down what video I should do next. I have no idea what I should do. So I just found this like from a bag. I think I got this for my birthday. No, I got this for my birthday. I got this for my birthday and I still didn't use it yet. So I thought it would be good if I use it for a video. And if you're watching this video, comment down your favorite color. I really want to know because my favorite color is blue because the slime's blue. I love this color right now. Like this color, not any blue. This color blue. Or aqua. Or black. Or purple. So I just cleaned the mess with the slime. Got more glitter. I can't even notice it too good. But yeah. We're almost done with the glitter. Wait, this one's actually kind of pretty. I don't know why. Okay. If you thought this video was gonna be short, then I don't know. Because it's kind of taking a while to do the glitter. I think this video will be like over about 5 minutes. Actually, I think so. Go back into the container slime. Comment down below if you like slime or not. Subscribe if you like slime. And like the video if you don't really like slime. Because in my opinion, I think some people don't really like slime too much because they like kind of stick to your hands. I think that's enough. And a sushi roll. Okay, so we're like done with the glitter. Hold on, let me just like do that. So we're done with the glitter. Do you think it's more glittery? I don't know if that's the right word, but does it look more shiny than before? Bubble. I just ruined it. Okay, now time for the decoration. I know they're all decorations, but I just like to call it like that. I don't know. Okay. Ooh. This one's kind of hard. It looks like ice cream balls. It looks like it looks like it's edible. Okay. Oh, there's some leftovers, as you can see. I think this might be enough, but if it's not, I'll pour the rest. So, I have that much. Just pouring it all over. This feels weird. Ugh. Trust the progress, okay? This is the video where you have to trust the progress because right now, I don't think like it looks too pretty. I think it's just like normal right now, so yeah. Because I like pretty slime. Things are getting messy. So now I'm cleaning the table with my slime. Wait, is that yellow slime? Oh, it's just like the beads thingy. So Does it look pretty to you guys? That's all I want to know. Because to me, it looks kind of pretty. Like, you know, a rainbow bluish slime. I wonder what would happen if I just get it out right now. Oh, look at it. It's a rainbow slime. I don't need explanations. It's a rainbow slime. The thing I'm glad about is that the slime's not really melted. Because, like, if it was melted, I cannot, like, play with it. And the whole part of it was playing with it. So I have these leftovers. I might use them for my crafts. Okay, finally, the cinnamon roll charm. Ta-da! Okay, I don't know why I laughed like that. I was like a hyena. I don't know. Okay. So I have the cinnamon roll slime finally done. Should I play with it? Where did the cinnamon roll go? Where did the cinnamon roll go? I'm making bread, everybody. Actually, I do make bread a lot. And comment down this too. I'm saying a lot of comments down below, but comment down below if I should do a video about baking. I feel like that would be kind of cool. So, I have the bread all ready. Now let me just bake it. It looks like chicken nuggies, not bread though. We have it. The slime. Okay, now I'm gonna get it out because I want to put it back in the container. A full mixed slime. But where did the charm go? Where did the charm go? There it is. Cinnamon roll charm. It's kind of yellow. Ooh, I like it kind of yellow. Okay, that was it for today. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.